The PRASKY Max 2400 watts blender is equipped with a robust 3-horsepower motor, enabling it to achieve speeds of up to 25,000 revolutions per minute for efficient blending. This blender comes with a generous 68-ounce container made from BPA-free materials, making it perfect for preparing large batches of smoothies for family gatherings or parties. With variable speed and pulse functions, this countertop blender allows precise manual control over the texture of your blends, ensuring perfect consistency every time. Its multifunctional design means the PRASKY Blender can replace up to 6 different kitchen appliances, handling tasks like crushing, blending, chopping, and grinding with ease. The blender is designed for easy cleaning with its square jar capable of self-cleaning in just 30 to 60 seconds using a bit of dish soap and warm water. Both the pitcher and other components are dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and hassle-free for busy users.